What's up guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video I'm featuring this GOLDSEASTAR Cordless Soldering Iron that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. This here is a really slick little soldering iron. I'm going to bring you guys in, go over what's included, and give you guys a quick demo. Stand by. Alright guys, so this soldering iron here is cordless. Cool thing about this here is actually will run if it's out of battery. It will run while plugged into the power source as well, so that's really cool. One button operation here. Got three tips. You got a 45-degree angle tip. They give you a bent conical tip, and you got a conical tip. They also give you some tweezers, USB-C cord, a solder sucker. If you know how this works, you heat up your solder, press the button, it sucks your solder up. They've got 10 sponge pads here for your stand, and it also includes the stand for the soldering iron. You're also going to get a instruction manual here. So operation super easy. You got one button here, press the button, and you got a dial in the back here that you can use to dial in the temperature on your soldering iron. It goes from 392 degrees Fahrenheit up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. Takes about 7 seconds for it to heat up. So you'll see it once the temperature's been set, it's starting to heat up now. And it's going to get right there in no time flat. That's up to temp, and as you can see, it's already up to temp and ready to go. So what I've got a flight controller here from one of my remote control hobbies. I'm going to use the soldering iron. We're going to attach this here wire to that flight controller and show you guys how this works. Stand by. All right guys, so I got my soldering iron heated up to 662 right now. One thing I failed to mention is that this does have a light on it, so it will illuminate your work material as you're soldering. So I've already got my flight controller here fluxed up. I've got my wire fluxed up. I'm going to pre-tin this tip just a little bit. There we go, got a little tin on there. And we're going to attach this wire to this pad here. And just like that, that wire is attached. So I'm going to take it back off here so you can see a removal. Just like that, that wire is right back off of there again. So if you guys are looking for a really nice, well-made cordless soldering iron, I highly recommend this GOLDSEASTAR here. I hope this helps.